You guys, it's finally here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So I can't show you the other side because it has my address and everything on it, but this is from YouTube, and this is my silver play button for reaching 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. And that is just a dream come true for me. A dream come true means something that you have wanted for a long time and it finally happened. So this is my dream come true. If you don't know, I've had a few YouTube channels, but I think this English channel is the one I'm most passionate about. And I'm just so grateful that I have over 100,000 students now. That really means a lot to me. And thank you guys all for supporting me, watching my lessons. Even when I have to take breaks, sometimes you guys are very, very supportive. And I'm just so, so grateful that I have such a cool community online. Yeah, that is just, it's just awesome. So when YouTube contacted me and told me that I had reached 100,000 subscribers, I was actually in the middle of taking a break. So I think before I open this, I should explain a few things, where I have been and everything like that. So actually, at the beginning of September, I found out that I was pregnant with my second child. My second child is due now in about 6 weeks, so very soon. It was a really hard pregnancy. I was sick a lot of the time. I had morning sickness. I don't know why in English we call it morning sickness, because it was all day for me. And even now into my third trimester, I have morning sickness. So it's been really hard for me. I've been totally drained. When you're drained, it means you don't have any energy. So taking care of my 2-year-old plus being this sick for almost 9 months it's been very hard. Also in September, I think just a week after I found out I was pregnant, my beautiful grandmother passed away. So I flew home to go be with my family, and that took a big chunk of my time. That's why I haven't been able to post a lot of lessons recently, but I'm just so grateful that people continue watching my lessons and they want more. So thank you guys so much. But anyway, yeah, I'm just over the moon right now. So over the moon means you're extremely happy about something. I'm over the moon. So I wanted to unbox this together with you because it's thanks to you, 100,000 of you, that this came in the mail. So, okay, let's unbox it. So I'm sorry I can't show you the front. It has like YouTube's logo on it and everything, but okay. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is so cool. It's like a little letter and with a little card. Awesome. I won't read you the whole thing, but it says, do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do, and you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Yes, oh my gosh. I do. I remember having 1 subscriber. I remember having 100 subscribers. I remember finally reaching 1,000 subscribers, and that was a big milestone. I could monetize my YouTube channel, and I will always remember getting to 100,000 subscribers. That's just so awesome. I'll read this later. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. What? Oops, it's like a mirror. Can you see the camera? Can you see my camera? Okay, that is so cool. Oh my gosh. Wow, it says, presented to Breeze Practical English for passing 100,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Seriously, seriously, a dream come true. Yeah. Oh my gosh. You can see my camera. Can you see yourself, guys? This is just amazing. Okay. Are my hands clean enough to open this? Wow, it is a real, like, look at that. That's my camera, guys. You can see it's like a huge mirror. Let's see if I get, okay, we'll put it at the ceiling so you can kind of see it better. But isn't that, oh my gosh. I don't know where to put this. Like here? I don't know if I should put it like here. Let me know in the comments where you think I should put this because I have no idea. It is just really cool to have this, and it feels like my hard work was recognized, and this is just so cool. So it definitely wasn't easy getting to 100,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh, you can see all my computer stuff. To put it, it's a mirror, so it's so weird. I have nowhere to put it where it doesn't reflect like my camera. Okay. We'll put it there. It's been a long journey. I'm pretty sure I started this channel in 2019. And yeah, now it's 2025. So it took a while. It took a while to get here, but I'm so appreciative of all of you. And I have a lot of lessons in the works. I have some scheduled. So even after I give birth to my second baby, there will be lessons for you to watch while I'm recovering and I'm on maternity leave. So please look forward to those. It's going to be an exciting time. I hope one day we can reach 1 million subscribers. I think that's the next play button is 1 million. I think pretty far away for me, but that's my dream. That's my dream, is to get to 1 million. I just can't believe that there's 100,000 of you out there right now. So thank you so much. That's all I can say is like, just thank you. I don't think words are enough. I don't think there are enough words to describe my feeling right now. Yeah, I mean, I started doing YouTube, not this channel, but I started YouTube and I think like 2014 or something like that. So I've been on YouTube for a while, but just since 2019, I really put my all into teaching English online. I just love making these videos and I love communicating with all of you, like from different countries. We speak different languages, but we all have one thing in common is that we can communicate in English a little bit. That's just so cool to me. And as someone who also had to learn a foreign language, I live in Japan, if you don't know. So I speak Japanese and I know it's a struggle. And when I was learning Japanese, I wish there was like a YouTube channel that could have taught me, but YouTube was a totally different beast back then. I'm trying to give you guys what I wish I had when I was studying a foreign language. So please, in the comments, give me your suggestions, give me your ideas, give me your questions for new English lessons. I'm going to be pre-filming quite a lot, and they should be coming out while I recover from giving birth. So please look forward to all those videos. Anyway, I'm sorry for rambling on like this, but I just wanted to show my appreciation and just kind of take in everything and yeah, just enjoy reaching this milestone with you guys. So thank you guys so much. I hope you look forward to the future lessons. So like I said, I have a bunch of them scheduled and pre-filmed, but if you have any other lesson ideas, if you have any questions, you can leave those in the comments. Also, if you've gotten this far in the video, I was just looking at this letter that I got from YouTube. I was just reading it a little bit more, and it says, "Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video." So I was just wondering, where did you come across my channel? Let me know how you found me. I would love to know because I don't really know that. I don't know how people find me actually. If you remember how you first found my channel, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear that. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in our next lesson very, very soon. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.